I have an old Craftsman riding lawnmower here that someone's put a different engine in. It's a Kohler engine. I have actually did that. It has a brand new battery, and the engine will turn over for a bit, and then it just kind of won't turn over anymore. There it went. Yeah. See, we're having all sorts. So the engine just won't turn over even though it's a new battery. I don't think it's a starter motor. My suspicion is that it's a starter solenoid. This solenoid's real easy to get to down here. So what you need to do is you need to jump those two posts. See those two posts there? Those two copper posts, that's what you need to bridge. And I'm just going to use a screwdriver to do that. I'm going to make sure I have the key in the on position so the magneto is not ground. And I just want to touch both of these at the same time. It's going to spark, so don't be alarmed. Yeah, see, it's trying to turn over. But what that tells you is that the battery has plenty of power to turn the engine over. It's just not getting to the starter motor. So the culprit is the solenoid, folks.